sister forgot to turn off the sink. Sis! Yeah, Luna? Did you forget to turn off the sink? I don't think so. Oh, okay. Oh, she didn't. Then what is that? Sounds like it's coming from here. Oh, gee, someone left a poop in there. Sky, did you not flush? Where is that coming from? Why is it wet over here? That looks like a leakage up there. Maybe I can go grab a bucket. What should I use as a bucket? Do I even have a bucket? Great, this is a perfect bucket. Oh. Great. Nothing's in the bucket and I still hear the noise. Maybe I can like grab this and start wiping this wet stuff off. There we go. But now where is that coming from? It's definitely not from over there. Maybe under the sink? I'm bored. Time to go on my phone. You know, I shouldn't waste my time on this. It's not like I'll be able to fix it anyways when it's done. So let me just put the bucket here and go get my phone. Ugh, my phone's dead. Sky, I need you to use your phone. Huh? I need to use your phone. Oh, okay. Here you go. What do you need it for? Well, my phone's dead and there's a leakage under the sink. And I can't fix it, of course, so I'm just gonna call the people that can fix it. This should be their number. Okay. I'm gonna put it on speaker. Hello.
Hello?
Hi, I was wondering if you can come and figure out where a leakage is in my house. There is something like in the bathroom and we can hear it. We both can hear it and we don't know where it is. All right, we'll send somebody right away. Thank you. Oh, and what's your address? My address is beep, 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 beep. All right, we'll send somebody right away. Okay, thank you. No problem. It's our job. Okay, you can have your phone back. Not like I'd want that phone anyways. I need to go charge mine though. Finally, my phone charged. Anyways. I wonder when these people are gonna be here. Jeez. Oh, they're here. Come in. Okay. And follow me. Is this the bathroom? Yeah, it is. So, do you know where the leakage is from? No. Oh, okay, that's totally fine. I'll just look around. Okay. If you need this bucket, you can have it. Looks like that's where her room is, so if I finish, I'll go there. Okay,
Now I have to look by myself. Such good help. Oh my. Okay. Am I saying that right? Oh heck no. Oh heck no. Heck no. Heck no. Learn how to flush, please. Whew, maybe that's the problem. They don't know how to flush. That toilet paper. That's another sink. Looks like a towel holder. And here's a sink. Sounds like it's in there, but it could also be in here. Okay, now that I finally have this open, it does look like there is some stuff in there. I don't know what that is, but let's see if this is where it's coming from. Oh my gosh. Okay, now that we know that it's right there, I should be able to do this. Let me turn the side. Okay, camera, we'll need that. Oh, I gotta go poo. Huh? Oh, hello.
What are you doing in my house?
Well, there's like a leakage going on in your house, if you didn't know, and I'm here to help.
I guess I have to hold my poo in. Ow!
Okay then. These should be all the tools I need. First, I need these two. I might not even need the hammer, but that's fine. You grab these pliers and you just open them. All done. Ow. Oh, they need to get some better floor. Oh, oops. It's wet and slippery because of me. Well, I don't want any of them falling because, like, that can just be bad if I need one of them to fall. So I'm just gonna grab this towel. Okay, maybe the sponge was a better solution. Oh, this isn't my job, but whatever. Technically it is, but whatever. Time to put all my tools back. Okay, my duty's done. Time to go knock and tell her that I'm done. Come in. I just finished, yeah, it should be good. If anything happens, just call me. Yeah. Bye. Okay. He looked really good looking. Maybe I should call again. And then I'll say I lost something? Maybe my phone under the couch. Wait! I have a better idea. Hello, and what do you need now? Oh, wait, didn't we just send somebody over? Is there a problem? Oh, there is. So I completely forgot about the one in the kitchen, like the leakage in the kitchen. And when he left, I immediately remembered. Oh, is he still outside? No, because it took me like a couple minutes to like remember. Oh, okay. Do you want us to send him back over? Yes, that'd be lovely. All right, we'll send him over in a second. Thank you. Great. Now for my master plan. Now I just wait. Oh. You can come in. Is there another problem? Oh no, it's just that I dropped my phone and behind my bed and I can't get it anymore. Oh, I thought you had a leakage in the kitchen. No, I don't. I don't know where you got that from, but yeah. Oh, okay. So, where is it? Under my bed. It's like over there, but I'm too weak and I can't really get it. So I was wondering if you can get it. Oh, yeah, sure. This is a really heavy bed, so maybe I'll just move this thing. Excuse me. Oh, yeah, it's right here. Okay, there. Oh my gosh, thank you. Yeah, sure, no problem. Do you want to stay for like coffee or anything? And also, can I like get your number? Just in case something breaks down, of course. Since, you know, this is like a kind of an old house. It's like my parents' old house. They got a new one. Oh, I don't really have any time to stay. So I can get your number, right? Like, just in case, you know. You know, just in case anything happens. And also, what's your name? Mine's Sio. What's yours? Oh, mine's Luna. Okay, well, I gotta go now. But can I get your number? I don't know. Come on, please. Why do you want my number again? Well, I really think you're cute, and also, just in case something breaks again, since this is like an old house and stuff, you know. I have a girlfriend. Where is YouTube? Oh, there it is. How to get a boyfriend. Step 1.